Do you know that you can use VidIQ to write video script for your Faceless YouTube channel? That's what I'm going to be showing you guys in this video right now. So here we are inside VidIQ right now. So what you just need to do is to be on this home. You can see all this section right here. What do you see here? Script writer. This is going to help us write a very creative and the script that this guy is going to write for you guys, I tell you, is 1,000,000% better than almost all the other script writer. Why? Because VidIQ analyze, scan, because VidIQ already work inside YouTube channel, inside YouTube already. So it's gonna, so just click right here to say script, and let's just give it any title of a video that we want. Let's just say my weight loss journey, or let's just leave it. Let's just search. Gonna do 10-minute tone optional. You don't have to do this. Let's just click on create right here. So you're going to see this script that is going to generate for us right now. I tell you, because VidIQ is already part of the YouTube tools that work on YouTube, so he knows the videos, he knows the channels that are doing very well. So he's going to scan and write your script around those other videos that are doing very well. Are you looking to share your own personal weight loss journey, or do you want to focus on general tips and advice for this thing? Let's just say general tips and advice for this. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. So let's say general tips, general tips